Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can apply the water wave reflection effect to your clips in CapCut. So here I've already imported a clip, and to add the water wave reflection, you just need to go to the CapCut video effect, find the nature category, swipe through the category here, click on nature, and this is the water wave reflection. Click on that, and just like that it will be added, but you can always adjust the size. For example, the vertical, I'm going to go with this, and then you can also adjust the twist, blur, and the speed of the wave. Click on the check icon when you're done, and you can apply it to the whole video. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye!